What up, people? Thanks for coming back to the channel. I hope by now some of y'all know who I am, but if you don't, I'm Rob. But what's all this? What's this cat doing in here? Oh, this is Straight Bearded. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, in Straight Bearded, we do beard product reviews, go over some tips and tricks, whatever we can do to get you some information that you need to make your next purchase. See how a product's performing or see how to best take care of your beard. Today, we're going over a beard product review. Matter of fact, it's going to end up being two separate. This is going to be installment one of two beard product reviews that I'm going to have to film for you guys. We've got so much product from this company. The company, you ask? It's from way over yonder. Company from Alaska. Gentleman by the name of Scott. The company's name is Anointed AK, Anointed Alaska. Scott reached out to me. We were talking in DM just a little bit, and he kind of let me know that he didn't send out very many products to be reviewed. Don't know why he reached out to me, but I sure am glad that he did. And I'm really excited about a few of these products, especially. I'd like to go ahead and get into that. You guys hang tight after this. I know, sweetheart. Your turn's next. Your turn. I know. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. I was just in here doing what I love to do. Messing with beard products. Truly do love it. Love using them. Love talking to you guys about them. I want to go ahead and get cranking on this company that sent me a bunch of products to review. Again, one of two reviews that are coming up. The next one's going to be this about a week from now. So Anointed AK had sent me some products. Several things. I know that you all have probably seen them in your Instagram feed, and if you haven't, you probably need to check them out. But this is that company with all the bright and poppy and flashy labels, things that look like it just really catches your eye. Super cool logo designs, labels, all their stuff is just ridiculous. So once I got done talking to Scott, I jumped right on the website, Anointed AK website, and I started looking at the products. You know, I didn't know what I was going to expect, or I didn't realize what I had in front of me or in store for me. Man, this guy's got so many products. It's ridiculous. There's so many different flavors, scents. There's so many different products that it's all meant for our beards. But I want to go ahead and get right into the first couple. A couple of these are really make me hype. I really love them a lot. But I want to go ahead and get cranking with them. So the very first thing we're going to be talking about is an oil and balm. So this oil and balm from Anointed AK is called Lager. Now, I've got so many products to review, I must have a cheat sheet. Memory's going with age, eyesight's going with age. Can't nobody read that little small stuff. Not without the glasses that that my wife, maybe not mom, same thing half the time. And the doctor told me to wear. I'm supposed to be wearing them, and it's tough. Anyhow, so I've got a little cheat sheet over here. Again, forgive it. But Lager is a cedarwood leather with musky undertones. This is, you know I got to hit that. So really manly cologne scent. If you like cologne scents, Lager is definitely for you. I'm going to go ahead and get this out and get it warmed up just a little bit. Very light oil. I've got to figure out a way to do this to where it's a little bit more effective. Light colored, very clear. Not a heavy oil at all. Just 3 drops. Man, that's cologne. That's a wonderful manly cologne. It's as if I've bought a bottle of cologne. But it's for my beard. And you'll notice, just with a little bit of rubbing, that I haven't even put it in my beard, I'm pleased to announce we don't have greasy residue. So that's always a plus with me. But this is a really warm scent. I said it a million times, cologne scent. If you're going out on a date, this one's perfect. If you've got a business meeting, this one's perfect. For any occasion, really, that one's perfect. That's a great safe scent across the board. Now, their balms, they advertise right on the label there. It says low hold. So Lager, of course, is in the same scent. And I really did like this balm. Let me get cracking in here. Every time I got a comment on my little smiley faces. You know I'm doing better. I used to scrape the tops off because I couldn't make it look yucky. I'm getting better, so I'm going to call that a win. And it didn't even cost me a psychotherapy trip. Cool. Anyhow, So watch me dig this balm out of here. This is like a light hold. It's really effortless to get out. Very effortless. Let me go ahead and give this the old 1-2. This is the only balm today that I'm reviewing. Today. Just a little bit. Let's give it the old 1-2. 1-2. Bam. Effortless. 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 Now this does leave a slightly greasy residue. Understand that most all balms do. I haven't found but 1 or 2 that will not leave some type of residue. Not a huge deal at all with balms. I actually expect it because that stuff's what's going to hold. It's going to hold that scent. It's going to do what it needs to do for me all day long. This one definitely tames the flyaways, and scent duration on this one is about 6 hours. 6 to 8 hours. Yeah, I want to say I've probably worn this 5-6 times already, maybe 5 times already. And I have a tendency to play with it a lot. Wash it out, try something different, or put it back in, whichever the case may be. I'm getting 6 to 8 hours out of this, and that's pretty decent. That's almost a whole work day for me. So really, really happy with their balm and its performance. But I have got something extra special that I actually had started talking to Scott from Anointed about right to begin with. I saw an ad on Instagram. I'm a chocolate lover. I'm a chocolate peanut butter cups lover. You know, them Reese's. I happened to see something, and I jumped in his DMs. I said, hey, is this a real thing? Are y'all playing? Is this real? And he says, yeah, it's real. So we got some of the peanut butter cup inspired beard oil called Resist. My absolute all-time favorite candy, my all-time favorite treat. So peanut butter and chocolate. You looking for me for something for Christmas or birthday or whatever? Peanut butter and chocolate. But it will be my absolute pleasure to hit this one time. So very, very much like a Reese's peanut butter cup. Little stronger on the chocolate, and I really like that. Back in the days when I was making vape juice, I think I had one that was called Sweet Mama that I was inspired by Reese's peanut butter cups to make, and it actually smells a lot like this. I promise I'm not going to try to vape this, but it's hard to not want to taste it. Don't taste your beard oil, guys. Kids, don't do it. But anyhow, I've got to get some of this out of the bottle. Let me get just a little bit in there. How about that? So what I like about these oils is they're very, very light in color. Light to medium consistency there. Here it goes. That's just too good. I'm sorry, my camera is messing. Slam up on me. So good. That's a really good one. That one for me is normally for a weekend, or if I'm just going out somewhere that doesn't really matter. I haven't tried to wear it to work yet. I want them to take me serious, and I'm sure with that they would take me serious. But candy, I don't need to be thinking about candy. I don't need to be distracted. But that is a really good one. So if you're looking for something like that wants you where you want to smell like a Reese's peanut butter cup, that's your go-to. So next up, I have learned to solidify my love for talcum and barbershop scents with the Fade. I know that we've all probably seen this scrolling through our Instagram feeds. This is as legit as you think it is. That's a really, really good barbershop scent. Let's see how that does right behind the chocolate. I don't think I've tried this before, but let's give it a shot. Well, 3 little drops out of medium run, light to medium run. That's really, really good. And on the Fade, we've got talcum powder, bay rum, sandalwood, and earthy notes. I do not know what the earthy notes are, but I don't really even need to know. It smells really, really good. And right about now would be a great time for me to pop up the carrier oils that are in this in these oils, and I'll put them up over here. It's pretty much on par with everything else. Nothing crazy, nothing out of the way. Not anything greasy going on the oils. So you always know that I appreciate that. But the Fade is a very, very good barbershop scent. I've learned to love barbershop scents. So very, very good on that one, Scott. This last one, just last oil, and I need you to stick around because there's something really special at the end. But this last oil, my wife adores. She stopped me and grabbed me and said, "Let me smell you." So this one, if you need to pick one of the bunch of oils that you need to try, I'm going to say right now, and I know there's some new ones coming. Can't talk about those just yet. But if there's one you want to try, High Roller. High Roller. High Roller, let me get you. High Roller is a sandalwood, amber, and musk. And I mean cologne, not a strong cologne, but I gotta hit it. Man. I almost get some talc out of that. I'm not sure what it is, but it's a super soft cologne, but strong enough to last throughout the day. On this one, as a matter of fact, I never even mentioned on the Resist, the peanut butter cups, I'm getting 4 hours easy. On the Fade, I'm getting 4 hours easy. And on this one, High Roller, I'm getting an easy 6. So, in keeping, love their bottles, love their labels, very, very light oil. And on this one, I'm gonna put this in. Maybe it's a little too hot for the sweatshirt, but we'll be all right. So we just want to put a little bit of this in. Please forgive. It's kind of funny. Their website says, apply 5 to 7 or apply 4 to 5 drops in your hand. No, we can't stop at 4 to 5. None of this stuff. This, of all the oils that I've tried from Anointed so far, is my favorite. Really, really good oil. Really, really good scent. It reminds me of, and I'm not saying it smells exactly like, but it puts me in mind of Love's Baby Soft. I'm 40 something, so when I went to school, it was in the 80s. So you old guys might know what I'm talking about. You young whippersnappers, maybe not. But the girls in my school wore a perfume called Love's Baby Soft. If you know what I'm talking about, you know the draw that Love's Baby Soft has. This has a Love's Baby Soft-esque essence to it. It's manly. It's definitely not a lady's cologne perfume type thing. But it puts me right in mind of that stuff. And my daughter has some Love's Baby Soft lotion. And I looked it up. And it said, looked it up on the back of the lotion itself. And it has all the same things that High Roller has. Sandalwood, amber, and musk. And I was blown away that they made that a manly scent. So that's my go-to. I don't have the Balm. I'm going to have to go back for the Balm. High Roller. Love that one. Now, the pièce de résistance. This is a brand new product that I've not seen anywhere. I'm going to put it in a butter category because I don't know where it belongs. It's not an oil. It's not a balm. And it's not a wax. And it does not have the qualities of the conventional butters that you're accustomed to. But let's start talking about Beard Rescue. Beard Rescue, guys, remember this. You're going to need to get this. So what this is, I treat it like a butter. It is a super hyper conditioning, extremely silky smooth, super ultra light, nighttime thing for me. I use it anytime. And let me tell you, so there's three different scents of these, and this one is the white scent. One has a gold top and one has a clear top. I'm not sure what they're called specifically. But the scent of this one, it's a beard cream. The scent of this one is mahogany based, bergamot, and soft musk. So the consistency on this stuff, and you've got to be able to see this somehow. Let me see if I can do this somehow. It's imagine Cool Whip that you have left out on the counter just long enough to become room temperature, but not to break down. That is the exact consistency of this stuff. I have been using it every single night, save one or two. And I have noticed that it performs, if not outperforms. Matter of fact, I will say, so far, I have one butter that I just received, and I'm not sure about it yet. As far as softening, conditioning, this outperforms every butter that I've ever used. If you don't know what I've used, I've got other videos you could look at. Believe me when I tell you, do not sleep on this one. Beard Rescue, a butter cream, a butter lotion. I have no idea what it is. Let me at least show you just how quickly it emulsifies. And this is not going to get wasted. I will go back and purchase this again. Just a little bit. It's already emulsified on my finger. Boom. Boom. A little bit. And that's all right. But look at that stuff. It's so thin and it's so light. And I know I've already put some high roller in. That's got a wonderful smell. Guys, don't miss Beard Rescue. Don't miss that one. I'm not getting any kickbacks. I'm not getting any nothing. There's no affiliate codes. My job here is to tell you what I like, what I think about these products, what I don't like. And I'm telling you right now, don't sleep on Beard Rescue. I have went way longer than I wanted to. I am super appreciative for Anointed AK to send me these products out. It's taught me the other side. They're not your conventional products. The scents last long. The scents are quality. There's nothing that's bland or plain. Y'all boys check them out. Please check them out. Beard Rescue, High Roller, Resist, the Logger, and the Fade. Hits. All hits to me. Anyhow, guys, super long. Stay tuned for part 2 next week. Y'all boys take care of your beards now. Take care of your beards. Have a great one.